How to cancel order on Shop app. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to cancel the order that you have on Shop application. First is open up Shop app and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now cancellation of orders on Shop application is very easy. But first, if you place an incorrect order, what you want to have to do is to tap on your profile picture at the top left and then simply go into order history. This is where basically you can go ahead and check on the current orders that you've done. This is where you can also track the status of your order process. Now take note that you can only cancel order if it's not yet shipped out, and this will be the option that you will see on your end. Now choose on the cancellation reason if it is a wrong product or you prefer the reason. Make sure that it is valid and tap on proceed for you to be able to have it processed. Now, you also have to keep in mind as well that cancellation of orders on Shop application multiple times might actually affect your account credit. But that is how you cancel order on Shop app.